Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill out the missing part on the table below. Find value of rate. We have to find value of rate here. We know simple interest. Simple interest is given by this relation P, that is principal, multiplied by rate multiplied by time whole divided by 100. So we have value of principal, value of time and value of interest. All we need is to find rate. So we'll simply put those values here. Interest is given as 3,15,000. $3,15,000. Principal is given as 35 lakh. Not 35 lakh, 3,50,000. 50,000. Rate is to be calculated. Time is given as 5 years. So to find rate, we simply take all these numbers on right side and put it on left hand side. So 100 is division on the right hand side. So 100 will be in multiplication on left hand side. So 3,15,000 multiplied by 100 equal to 3,50,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by rate. So rate will be equal to 3,15,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 3,50,000 multiplied by 5. So these zeros will cancel out. This will cancel out over here. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So that is equal to 315 into 2 divided by 35, which is equal to, let's see, let's divide 35 and 315 with 5. So that gives us 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15 into 2 divided by 5 7s are 35. So this 7 9s are 63. So that is 9 into 2, which is equal to 18. So we get rate as 18% because rate is used in percentage here. So answer is option A.